Okay, let's see what we got. 72 foot-pounds of torque at 5,400 RPM and 86 horsepower at 7,200. Let me highlight this so we can see this graph a little bit better. There we go. So I started the pull at just under 2,000 RPM, and you can see that sharp uptick at 4,000. Then at 5,000, even steeper, maxing out at 7,000 all the way to the red line. So that's what your power curve looks like with that turbocharged engine. And it mimics what I talked about whenever it hits that really steep climb on the power. I mean,